Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're gonna learn about Chinese language. So basically Chinese has three main components. The first one is Pinyin, which is the Chinese alphabet, and the second one is tones, and we use these two for the pronunciation. The third one is Hanzi, or the Chinese characters. So for example, 你好 which means hello. This part we call it as Hanzi, or the Chinese characters, and this part is the Pinyin. And for this one is the tones. In Chinese alphabet, there are 16 vowels and 21 consonants, and the vowels are divided into simple vowels, basic vowels, and compound vowels. Let's start with the simple vowels. So I'm gonna say it first, and then you guys can repeat after me. A. This letter pronounced as A, not A like in English. A. O. For this letter, we don't pronounce it as O, but we put a little bit of U sound in front of it. O. L. E. U. For this letter, maybe some of you find it's difficult to pronounce, but the easy way to pronounce this letter is by saying this letter first, E, and then you shape your lips into U form, so it becomes like E, U, U, U. And try to remember this order, because we're gonna use this order when we learn the tones later. Okay, the next one is basic vowels. So basic vowels are composed by two vowels like this one, and a vowel with a consonant and a vowel with two consonants. Let's read it. I. For this one, in the beginning you guys can say it separately first, like I, and then try to say it faster. I, A. This one is a little bit different from what we've learned before. Before we've learned it as right? But when combines with another vowel, it becomes A. So this one is A. This one is also a little bit different. This one, it's not ow, because we've learned it as wo, right? But it sounds like ow. Also the same with this one. It's not whoa, but it's o. An, The next one is compound vowels. Okay, let's start with the first one. So when there is no consonant in front of E, we change it into Y as the written form, but it's still pronounced as E. Yeah. This one is the written form. we change the E into the Y. Yao, 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 ye. So the below part, this one, is the written form. And the upper part is the pronunciation. This one is also a little bit different. It's not pronounced as you, but it's pronounced as yo, yo, yo. And it's written as yo, like we change this E into Y, not you. Yen. This one pronounced as yen, not yan. Yen. Yin. Because there is only one vowel here, so we put the Y in front of it, not written like this. Yin, yin, yang, yang, yang. This one is similar, like the same with this one, so you put the Y in front of it. Ying, ying, yung, yung, yung. The second one is when there is no consonant in front of U, we change it into W, but we still pronounce it as U. Remember, this part is the written form. We still pronounce it as the upper part. Wa, 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 wo, 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 why, why, why. This one is also special. We don't pronounce it as ui, but we pronounce it as ui, ui, ui. It's the same with this one. We change the u into the w. Ui, ui, one, one, one. This one is the special one. We pronounce it as un, not un. So we need to be careful when there is un sound. Un, 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 wang, 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 wang. Okay, the third part. So when there is no consonant in front of U, we change it into Y, U. So, Yue, 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 Yuan, Yuan, Yuan. See this part? It's almost the same with this one. This one pronounced as Yuan, not Yuan, not Yuan, Yuan, Yun, Yun, Yun. So remember, when there is Y and U in one word, always remember to read the U sound into the U. We always pronounce it as U. Okay guys, before we finish today's class, let's practice to read all of these words by using the vowels that we've learned. Okay, the first one, which means hungry. Because we haven't learned the tones yet, you guys can say it only the vowels without the tones. The second one, which means to. I love, 有 to have, to own, 我 which means I, 月 is the moon, 云 clouds. Okay, remember when Y followed by U? The U is not pronounced as U but as Yu, so 月. The same with this one, 云. Let's read it once more. I, 有 我 月 云. That's all for today's class. Thank you guys for watching and see you in the next class. 加油!